To show your iPhone's battery percentage, on the top status bar, open Settings and then tap Battery. Next, tap the toggle next to Battery Percentage to enable the option. Apple added the ability to display the battery percentage directly on the status bar in iOS 16 Beta 5. The battery percentage option is available on the following iPhones: the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the iPhone 13 Pro, the iPhone 13, the 12 Pro Max, the 12 Pro, the iPhone 12, the 11 Pro Max, the 11 Pro, the iPhone 10, and the iPhone XS. The battery percentage option is not available on the following iPhones: the iPhone 13 mini, the 12 mini, the iPhone 11, and the iPhone XR. The battery percentage icon changes to a half-filled red battery icon when your battery drops to 20% and lower.